Hey guys, welcome back to day 7 of AS Biology in a single month. And this is the final past paper of the Edexcel A Paper 1 series, AS. So, yeah, I was just trying to do the best I could on this paper. It's kind of like a test, but not really because there's an actual exam at the end of this. And yeah, just to let you know, I managed to get 80% on this test, so that's really good. We're getting good improvements. Like, I was at 60 a few days ago, went to 70, and now I'm at 80. I think if I did a bit more practice, I'd get to 90, which I'm planning to once I finish all of the paper 2s. I'll start doing an A level, and that should just boost it a lot higher. And yeah, another thing to know is it's gone a lot faster to complete these papers. So at the start of this series, the speed up on these videos was about times 50 or times 60, but now it's only times 20. So you can see I'm basically looking twice as fast, and I think part of the reason for that is that I know more content, so I don't have to think for as long, and part of it is that I've also gotten used to the workflow of simply just answering questions and then getting the marks given and just re-answering them in a single go. Another thing is there's not many 6 markers because I don't think they were added into this thing, um, into the app. So what I'll do is I'll just do those 6 markers manually. I'll probably just go over each paper again just to complete those multiple choice and calculation questions, but I've done the bulk of the written questions. You can see I'm just using knowledge from previous papers and I'm actually getting most of it. There was a little bit of new content with the tRNA molecule, and yeah, honestly I think tRNA molecule was the only new content, although there might be more. I'm just trying to remember. But yeah, tRNA molecules are a bit weird because they're not fully a strand, but they're still considered a strand molecule made up of RNA nucleotides. Heart, so standard stuff. There's a bit of a weird question now, a few bugs in this paper, so have to fix that, but other than that, pretty good with the progress. Again, aorta. I'd say this is actually a relatively easy paper. There was a few weird questions at the start, but oh yeah, here we have a conclusion, and I'm starting to also get these discuss validity questions, although this was pretty easy since the conclusion was completely wrong. One concern I have is that I'm writing a lot here, and it's a lot harder to write on like handwritten exam papers than it is to type, so I might need to start working on that. But yeah, that's just a simple enzyme active site questions, diastole, again, just cardiac cycle. Um, yeah. So here's a bit of new content about placebos. I'm fairly certain we compare the placebo rather than comparing just outright because placebos effectively do nothing. So it's a good comparison. Here's a tRNA molecule question. This was a bit where I had to do a bit of extra learning, but started to get it. And yeah, it's simple. It's pretty similar to the difference between DNA and mRNA. Just as an extra point in that tRNA molecules have an anticodon and they actually do have complementary base pairings. So that's that. Discussed above mRNA. Oh yeah, I also got this question wrong first time since I only talked about transcription and briefly talked about I briefly talked about translation, but you have to talk about the whole thing when it's protein synthesis. And from here on out, I'm just completing these mistakes. So you can see we got to 80% really easily there, and yeah, that's just a good sign of progress. Again, this question was bugged a little bit, I think, like the mark scheme especially didn't accept go down the concentration gradient, which I thought was weird, but complete that, and then we'll finish off this just like that. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye!